why you know they celebrate your partner? Comment below. Tell us why you are not celebrating your partner.
Why you are not happy? When you are not happy with him, anything that he's doing.
Don't see the message we will receive now.
Yes, a woman that is it the woman about or the man?
Both the man. Let's share with them.
Okay.
Both the two of it.
That man now.
Messages.
Listen to the story of that man. This man they try. Let me say no they try. This man they try so that the family will be okay. You know as things dey now. So this man they try every morning now. So this man go wake up and work. Just they hustle. They do one or two. Only he never get work. He never get work, but know how his family must eat two times in a day, if not 3 times. But if say maybe nothing day na 2 times.
Yes.
But the man they try to make sure say his family eats 3 times in a day
minimum.
But the wife at home do not appreciate him. This man will get peace of mind outside, but whenever he come back now, so bad mouth, the wife will give him. So this man don't try.
Abuse the man.
He don't try.
Good for nothing man.
Last, this man don't get work. Where did they do bakery? They get. So this new work now where this man get, at least the work they plan, he has the money where they plan. He better pass that one when they just they work out, they do 1 or 2.
Yeah.
But still, the woman still does not appreciate this man.
Celebrate and even the day when you bring up and you say, my wife, I don't get you. Hey, ask her which kind of work in tell am good.
He said, no be person like you own that bakery where you want to go work.
Imagine that kind of work.
So this kind of thing,
make the man just dey down, man dey depressed.
Yes, weak. So try to be celebrating your partner. Try to be appreciating their little effort.
Appreciate and celebrate their strength.
Anything, even though like na small thing wey they do, it encourage.
The same thing with you, the husband of this woman, where they sell fruit. If they hear us now, I beg, start today they celebrate that woman they try. Imagine say you wanna know say normally na men be the head of the family.
Sure.
Understand? Na men both in terms of finance, na men suppose at least come out first. It's true some families women get money pass their man, understand? But here now, normal level, man suppose at least come out first in terms of finance. But this woman we dey talk about, in they sell all these vegetable women, then where they go inside villages go buy things, you know. Then if they buy for villages like plantain, fruits, vegetables, now they carry them come for inside town and begin they sell. They get, and these women they nurse they be. Sometimes they wake up early in the morning. Sometimes some of them they travel, stay like 2-3 days inside village where they find things. Then where they will carry come sell to make sure say their families are good. But could you imagine that this man will still be insulting the wife?
Calling her all sorts of
names. Coming to celebrate that woman with the hustle for you. You did they abuse that woman, you know good. I beg, if they watch our video, I beg that stop that thing. And if you are the kind of that person also, stop and may understand their celebrate on our partner. It's very, very important. Celebrate their strength. No matter the little one with the you know easy. Even if no, your Patagono, hey, won't come, you don't try. You complain. Some men I try today, no matter what now, also try, nothing come out. Encourage the person, tell them say, even try self.
Even at 500 naira way bring come back.
Even if no matter that little one, you go the boast the man moral too. Because even if you come back, you go know say, try, you get person where you even go.
Appreciate.
They will say.
Like that. So try to be appreciate, and it's not even only on work aspects. Let me tell you something. Sometimes at home, try to be celebrating and appreciating your man. Some people, after sex. After sex with your partner, how do you appreciate? What do you tell the person? Or will you tell the person, this man, you not try.
You not try, you not try. And tomorrow you expect them to try.
You not try. Even though you not try, even though nothing come out, try to appreciate, try to encourage.
When I'm saying that day,
you try, you do well.
Then you cannot on a normal. That time, say, let me tell you, it's true. See, let me tell you, so we are in the midst of social media where people are telling you all sorts of things, but we are telling you the reality that is happening. Gone. Even if you not try, that is not the right time. Maybe that time is getting up, say, 2 minutes, man, you not try. I beg you, go out there. No, it will make that man feel embarrassed.
Next time,
appreciate him, celebrate him that moment. Say,
have the morale
yes,
to do
first of all, celebrate him that moment. Now, later time. Later.
Not even that time.
Later, tell him, just open up, tell him how you feel. Maybe there are some directions you not hit hard. The way we into. You cannot open up to him, tell him, say, this area you not do. I think, honey, how do you see it if you put more effort? Or if you find out that you both have, maybe he's having an issue, then he cannot complain to you, tell you, say, this is the why something of that nature happened. Let's seek for a doctor. Let's go to a doctor. Let's go to hospital, understand, to maybe seek advice from the doctor or what next to. What next to do? You understand?
Don't mind.
So, something to take care of the health issue. Okay, let's say if the man have health issue, understand? So, but that is not the time. Maybe you guys just finish having say kind of 2 minutes, man. Your mates, they can hit it hard, stay long, stay 1 hour, and you are a good for nothing, man. You're a 2 minutes, man. You start with abuse, and tomorrow you expect what we are talking about here is your man, the man you marry, not boyfriend and girlfriend.
So
we are talking about your man. Celebrate the little strength, whether little or big. If you buy a car, whether it's 2023 model or 1991 model, still celebrate him.
If he goes out there and buy you anything,
appreciate it first.
If she go out there and buy you any little thing, appreciate it. The heart you use to appreciate will make him or her to buy you something bigger.
Yes, next time.
Put more effort.
Yes.
So do not criticize your
sometimes you see, let me tell you sometimes you cannot reason if I take this one next time you still go and buy me exactly thing or even buy me lower to stop thinking that. Stop thinking that. Remove that from your mind. Okay. Always pray that next time more will come. More. Yes.
And another thing, do not criticize your partner because of the little that they bring. Maybe your partner brings something for you, buy something for me, and you don't like it, you just throw it to him.
Not only throwing it to you, go to tell your friends, see what that stupid man buy for me.
Start telling your friends.
Others are buying their wife gold, diamonds. Now this Abuki.
Do not allow your friends to deceive you, because you can go to your friends and see what their partners are buying for them or what their partners are doing, and you be like, hey, my husband is good, and you start criticizing your partner in their presence. No, always appreciate, encourage, and celebrate your partner. And it's very, very important in every home. As we are doing it, we are teaching your children how to celebrate you people.
Yes.
Because the way you appreciate and celebrate your partner,
your wife,
is the way your children will also appreciate and appreciate you. Because when your partner buys something for you and you joyfully, happily grab the thing.
I'm very happy for this. Even if you
and
buy
your children are watching.
good.
Once you get something for them, the same way they will
jump up
and hug you. Mommy, thank you. Daddy, thank you.
They will still pray for you. Mommy, God will bless you. You get money to buy for them.
Let's say that your husband gets you something that you don't like. Just throw it back to him or her and kind of shout to the person, and your children are watching you. The next time when you
what
buy
are you teaching them?
No, when the person buys something that the children didn't like, they will just keep it. Mommy, I don't like this now, but take this thing. Do you understand?
Yeah.
So anything that you are doing in your house, always know that your children
are watching.
They are watching you.
Yeah.
All right. So
We love you guys so much, and we
love
appreciate you watching our videos. Please hit that subscribe button. Click on the notification bell so that anytime we drop more videos like this, YouTube gonna notify you. And make sure you are following us on all our social media accounts: Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, and YouTube.
Are you not on WhatsApp?
On WhatsApp?
Never mind.
So guys, we love you guys so
We love
much.
you.
Okay, bye for now. We miss you guys for now.
No, we are not missing you. We are still with you. Just in our next video.
Alright, see you in our next videos. Share.
Share.
Check on my Shabbat on
On our road.